To my dearest Joy, my everything, my safe place, and my greatest joy. Thank you for staying with me for the times na malungkot ako at need ko ng karamay. You never left when I needed you the most. I am now marrying the person who changed my life in the most beautiful way.
God knows how grateful I am standing beside the man who fills my life with joy, love, and purpose. Wala, naiyak na ako.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
I vow not only to be your husband, but your partner in every beginning. But there will be moments of uncertainty, days when we miss home, and nights when the distance feels heavier than we expected.
I can't thank God enough for bringing you into my life. From the very beginning, kahit na ikaw yung laging sinasabi na bahala na, di naman nagmamadali yan, okay na yan. But at the end of the day, you've always made sure that I am okay.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget?
Sana gabayan ka ni Lord. Ito pa ng pangarap mo. Laging maganda, healthy.
Si Papa ang pinaka-pogi. Pinaka-pogi sa lahat.
Walang gutom.
Congratulations, ngayon.
Kakasal ka na.
Kakasal ka na. Dati baby pa kita, ngayon ano ka na. Sana.
Mrs. Tan. Oh.
Thank you, Ma'am. Kasi lagi ka nandyan. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit nahihirapan ka, lagi mo ini-make sure na okay kaming magkakapatid.
As we cross borders and build new dreams, I promise that my love for you will remain steadfast and unchanging. So today, I take your hand, ready to step into this new life, knowing no matter where we go, we will always have each other.
In every aspect of my life, whether it's family, work, or our relationship, you never let a day making sure I am safe, and most importantly, busog. Kasi pag busog, walang away.
Iniwan ni Joy si Ethan para sa pangarap. Pero si Julian, hindi iiwan si Joy. Isasama ka, tuparin ang mga pangarap. I vow to build a life with you filled with hope and courage, to create home full of warmth, no matter the city or country. I will celebrate every wins with you and hold you close in moments of doubt.
You showed me what it means to love selflessly.
Maging sentro ng buhay nyo ang Panginoon na lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo. Kung ano naman maging problema nyo, nandito lang kami, lagi nakasuporta sa inyo. Yun lang, I love you.
Love you. Ma, thank you sa pagpapalaki sa akin and you shaped me as I am now. Kung ano ko ngayon, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ganito ako pagkatao ko ngayon. Salamat. Love you.
Huwag kang mahitang ulo kung
okay,
nagagalit yung ano. Parang bigayan lang kayo, give and take.
okay.
Give and take so that your married life
Happy.
maging matibay, matagal. Hanggang ngayon, parang kami. Diba? Ganun lang.
Okay. I know yung yung pagod, tsaka yung hirap sa papaaral sa akin. So, thank you.
Before, I always ask God when I will get married. Nanghingi pa nga ako ng sign kung ikaw na ba talaga. Sabi mo, dadating din tayo dyan. And yes, you taught me how to wait, not ask, instead pray. Because God knows when is the right time. Kailangan mo lang pala ng konting push.
Mahal kita, ngayon, palagi, at saan man tayo dalhin na walang hanggan.
I love you so much, and thank you for always taking care of me and embracing and acknowledging my flaws and imperfections. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. So tara, let's go na to the US.
Yo, let's go.